Good afternoon, LinkedIn, and Happy New Year. I hope you've all had a good start to the year. Unfortunately, I'm 1 week behind already with my week in recruitment updates. Unfortunately, I had the flu last week, so apologies for that. But it has allowed me to get back into work this week, to understand what's happening in the market a little bit more, and to be able to provide you with a comprehensive update of what's going on. Also, I used some of that time to take heed of some industry events, listen to some webinars, and into some end of year summaries from some of the clients and some of the venture capital firms who are investing in the life sciences industry. Some quite interesting information out there. If you want to have a look, or please get in contact with me if you're interested. I can share with you some of my resources of information. But yeah, one week back, for me at least. Some positive news, I think. I've had briefing calls this week for several new vacancies from some of my clients. We noticed at the end of 2023 that there were some vacancies going on hold, budget restructures happening within businesses that seem to have settled down. Companies, have maybe not opened up quite as many jobs as they had at the end of last year, but they've been able to define which positions are really essential for the company moving forward, and release positions this week. So we have a number of vacancies available in regulatory affairs, in quality assurance, and in clinical operations as well, which is really positive, especially for clinical operations, which did have a little bit of a slowdown last year in comparison to years previously. So yeah, please do get in contact with me or reach out to Hobson Pryor, and we can connect you with those opportunities that we have. 5 out of those, 5 of the new positions are located in Switzerland in particular, with positions also out in Asia that we have, and a position covering Europe. So yeah, plenty of opportunity there for you. Now, in terms of the market reports, I was listening to a webinar just yesterday in relation to investment in the life sciences space and where venture capital money is going. There is still a lot of dry powder, it seems, for these investment firms, so there is more money to be invested in the next year. The firm I was listening to in particular wanted to invest in 6 new ventures this year whilst maintaining their portfolio of around 50 companies, which I thought was quite interesting. So they are looking to scope and expand. One of the things that was very interesting is that they are looking to expand in businesses where the therapeutic is quite broad. They're not looking to go into more like the targeted therapeutics, so moving away from some of the quite niche oncology products, looking at more immuno products which had a broader audience, so less investment in some of those orphan drug areas. Another area that is really big for them is that neuroscience, looking at Alzheimer's. Obviously it's a disease which affects so many people. So again, looking at a drug category which can really have an impact across a huge sort of target group of people. That is where they're looking to invest their money. I think there's maybe more long-term potential returns for those investment companies if they're trying to work with a company who has a product which will reach hundreds of thousands or even millions of people, in comparison to a rare disease or a rare form of oncology, where there's some very effective treatments out there already for a lot of these oncology products, and actually trying to get something which improves upon that. It's possible, but it's very difficult, and then it's only going to be able to target a very small patient population. So I found that all very interesting, and I think we will see more investment coming in this year for those companies who have quite a broad outreach when it comes to the patients and the target groups that they're reaching. So yeah, if you're interested to find out more about that, then please do let me know. I'm happy to share with you some of the resources that I use when it comes to finding out more about the market information. But yeah, that's my week 1. We'll call it week 1 for my week in recruitment, and I look forward to updating you all next week. Have a great weekend, everybody, and bye bye for now.